So I see this as a bunch of aggregates. There's aggregation, even if it's fine or medium aggregation. So this is aggregation, but if you're trying to talk about a profile soil and you made each one of these different colors, then you can start using those chromatic platy angular structures, but it's going to look very different because you're not going to see platy you're not going to see platy in every single.
Only when I get deeper down.
Yeah, you're going to find that deeper. So try to think about, like, are you trying to think about how this is animated and what you want this to be? Because I feel like you're conflating two pieces. Are these soil aggregates like what you would see under a microscope by looking at these pieces? Are they showing you some of the larger subsoil structure? Are you trying to talk about this, this depth of age and color, and understand that as the reason there isn't this granular structure down deeper is because of the weight and the compression and the lack of roots are not making the air and water to circulate life. So they tend to be more mineral soils. They won't have organic matter in them. Very few roots are going to penetrate into B's and C's because, it'll be some tree roots, right? They're going to get down there.
Tree roots get that deep?
Some of them do. They go out, but there's some certain tree roots that do have more of a tap root.
Right.
And they'll root deeper.
Wow.
If they can, they will. They might throw that down, like a lot of nut trees will have a tap root. So if you're talking about forests, you're talking about mostly a very organic layer, and you're talking about a lot of organic compound, organic exudates from coming out of the butthole of all these different microorganisms that glue stuff together. And the bacteria and fungi and mycelium, they're all gluing. They're in relationship to each other. So that's what this is like a layer, right?
Yes.
A layer. If you get lower, you're going to look at really like clunky, that's clunky kind of clunky PEDs, which is like these like prismatic pieces. They would look like a bunch of daggers.